So we have DC Space with us. So we have the jury members with us. So thank you, Mohinder. Thank you, Mohan, and thank you, Vaitish, for your evaluations today. So they will be judging these two teams. So we have two teams, DC Space and ByteBrains. So ByteBrains, please be ready. You will have to go next. So first is DC Space. So their unique ID is CBH-T073. So for the new juries today, so we have shared a sample grading sheet via email. So kindly make a copy of it, either a local one, or you can do a Google copy the Google Sheet in your own drive, and then you can share it with us. So kindly do not edit the same sheet. So yeah, over to you, Shashi. Yeah, you can take over. Yeah.
Thank you, Manisha. Thanks a lot. So from our project is DC Space, where I'll share my screen and let you know if you have anything doubt, you can let me know. So am I audible, right?
Yes, you're audible. Yeah.
Yes, Shashi.
So is my screen visible?
Yeah.
So our project basically based on making space for each resource systems and aligning all the operations and non-operations team accordingly for our project, where on a daily basis, if you see, there are a bit of chaos when a system or a network is down. We are facing challenges to allocate the resource according to their systems or the way or what is the system conditions we are not aware of. So to tackle that, we have came up with a live platform where we can see what is the status of the system, is it occupied or not, or there is any challenges or issues with the system that each one of us can before making a seat to the user, we will know like what is the issue, or we can raise the issue to the IT itself. After if a user is sitting, he will take a few minutes to log in and he will come up with an issue kind of thing. But once we raise it as an issue, the IT can look it up as a live one. And also it can be known to other team as well if they are facing any seating problems, if there are any free spaces in the floor and they require some systems, so they can know the live status of the system, seatings and everything. So for this, we have used a software tool to come up with an basic ideas like how to create a platform. So our systems looks like this, where you can see the system number, whether it is occupied or not occupied, or it has any issues, which team is currently occupying that system in the platform itself, and also the details. These details can be uploaded via IT in their sheet, so we can see the live status of the system. Each team can access it through that. So if anyone makes a changes in the platform, it can be directly it can lively be updated in the Google Sheet, or you can also update that in the Google Sheet, which can be viewed in the platform as a live status. So we can cover up the whole systems in the center on the floor, like what is the current status and which team is currently occupying, or we can allocate it to according to the name of the users the way we want. And we can also add comments if we would like that. And at the same time, we have added another feature of booking the training room or conference room whenever we want. Like everything, the whole floor planning is consisted in the same tool, where we can see the live status of the details. It is also work on the same process, like we can update this and record this in the Google Sheet, or we can view on the live status like how it is being updated. On an Outlook, it looks like a very simple one, but it is like really helpful and much needed on the floor in terms of high production time, or in terms of when work from home resources are allocated or they are coming to office kind of thing. It will be really helpful when if we can see the live status of the system and the live status of the training room or conference room whenever we like to book it or we have to see. Yes, this is our project for chai break. Any questions?
Hi, Sushi, Mohan here.
Yeah, hi Mohan. Yeah.
Yeah, so very good tool application. Whatever we currently facing some issues. So basically, my understanding from the application is like a ticketing tool for resolving all IT related, HR related, whatever, right? That is separate one, and another one is seating allotment, right? Seating allotment and other tools. I mean, conference booking, everything. So what kind of tools you are used to develop this application, Sudhir?
We used software one, and the ticketing tool is the same like which we are using. But the thing is,
Okay.
like, if someone is raised a ticket in from my team, other team people won't know. And if they are seeing any free systems, their availability, and they have the headcount which they want to put there, they won't know the this kind of live application, live status of the system or seating. So this will help them to see the status of the seating and systems on a live basis. The ticketing tool is the IT department's one, which they are keeping the communication is the one who raised the ticket and the IT team. But this will help to see the live status for the whole floor. So that is we have came up with this tool, and we use software. Hope my answer is.
Yeah, softwares like what software you are using?
So the application to build is like software, like Gemini and Firebase Studio, which we were using. Software is one of them.
Okay. Couple of questions from your answer. One is seating allotment, right? So, is there any, without manual intervention, the automations happen background, or someone is, intervened in that application and allot the seating?
Yeah, we
This
can.
is my first question.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Second question is ticketing tool. We have a lot of, in the current market, different ticketing tools are available, right? Even HRMS or IT team is using, right? So how this tool is compete with, current ticketing tool? I mean, what are the best things are inbuilt in your application? Two questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
These for answer for that is like just a second.
Okay.
So the thing is, for the manual intervention you are asking, the process owner can directly feed the data in the system. Like in the morning, if my team is occupied 15 seats, I can just click there like it is occupied by Avanti. And if out of that 15, if 1 or 2 is having an issue, I can just simply click that this is the issue there. And the details is viewed by all of the people who are available in the center, like other process owner as well. During this time, the thing is like we are also asking people to work on hybrid on the same time. When someone from team unexpectedly come extra 5 counts from Zomato or any other HL team, so they would be needing the system. So they won't know the status until they are physically present, 10 or 15 minutes taken to see that this is the issue. So that can be reduced, and the seating problem can be avoided. And for the ticketing ones, the HR based, the IT ticketing which we are raising is like happening between two people, the person who raised the ticket and the IT team. So if someone from my team is raising a ticket, other people won't know. And I won't know like whether that system is free or available, or someone is sitting there. If another extra 5 of my people has arrived and there are free system available in the floor, I have to go and ask manually, like the process owner, the IT, and see what is the status of the system if the people are sitting there. So this kind of manual interventions can be avoided, and at the same time, the timing taken for this between like 10 or 15 minutes for each users, and whether there is a issue with that system, this everything can be avoided. We can see the live status of the floor of each of the system, whether this is proper or not. Instead, like if, the IT ticketing is currently based on the earlier, as I said, it is like one-on-one communication kind of thing. So this will enhance, like, to help all of the process owners and the people sitting on the floor, which will reduce our time. The same goes for like this conference room and the training room as well. So the whole floor planning can be, the time can be saved to plan the whole floor. So that is the reason we came up with this idea.
Yeah, this is good one actually. But our IT model AI ops team is currently working on that. The automation things is inbuilt in our application. I mean, the infrastructure or firewall, right? All 200, 300 machines are monitored by the AI model. In case of, it can be predicted in the future failure of any internet down or machine problem, hardware problem, everything is suggested by to the HR team. Even the manual interaction is required. So that's the way if you have any AI model to, inbuild this application to predict, how many systems are available, how many seats are available, in case of any prediction, how the, seating allotment can be handled in the perfect way. Is there any, automation AI model is inbuilt?
With that, we'll see in the future options, like we can integrate this into the AI ops as well, where the whole floor can be like even the admin or IT or HR, everything can be integrated into a single tool. So this will also help as a basic ground idea to integrate that into the AI ops.
Why I am asking, right, is we required 10%, 30% of manual requirement to alert or any status changes. Everything is required manual intervention, right? Suppose in case of any absence of the particular person or admin or controller, definitely the collapse happen in a day, right? That's what overall the application is very good, but you have to think through the automation kind of the predictions, so reducing the manual work. These things can think through.
Yeah, we can look into integrating this with the AI ops, and also this will help them to keep all admin, IT, and HR on a single page, and even operations, mainly operations on a single page with everyone. So this integration will help them a lot.
Yes, so, that's it from my end.
Yeah.
So Sashi, we have Project Vikram. We have created a booking app for conference rooms.
Yes.
Have you seen that?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a very similar idea that you have in this project. So, but one question: who are the people who are going to have access to this booking mechanism, and how are we going to stop the external people from having access?
So the access is like the similar one, like we can create a login ID and password only for the process owners who are required to book and who make the necessary decisions on a daily basis on the floor level, and even with the IT and HR teams, so that they can view and get to know like how many people are present, what is the status of the whole floor. So the booking app from the Vikram team is the basic idea which we got for the conference room as well, but we wanted to enhance it like for the whole floor level.
Right. So you're saying access will be limited to some people on the floor, right?
Yes.
Or you're giving access to everyone?
If we want, we can give view access, but to edit access, it would be better if only process owners, IT and limited people
So,
have.
imagine your own team members, if they want to discuss some idea for half an hour. So they should we should give them access, no, to book the room and go and discuss their idea.
Yeah, we can create that on a simple basis, like in the software or Firebase, like which we had an option to create a limited access. We can make a temporary access or a OTP kind of password where it changes and for a temporary basis password. We can create like that for this.
So far, you have not done it in your demo, right?
No, we have not done that in our demo.
Okay. Yeah, that's it from my side. Mohinder?
Sachi, the Google Tracker is the main dashboard, right? So Google Tracker, who will be updating, who is using which system, who will be doing it for across all projects?
The process owner, the one who on morning basis allocates this seat and see the operations on a daily level.
Okay, so what if in case he is absent that day?
The limited access will be given to my backup as well.
Okay, but I just give an example. What if in case there is an event in your center and all of you are busy, then who will do it?
We can that if we have to plan, so it is like a planning beforehand and keeping every team on the same page before that. So
why I ask you question is like because that there is a manual intervention there, because if the Google Sheet is not updated, the dashboard is becomes almost of no use. So people, or this almost like giving a job to an individual. It could take 30 minutes or 1 hour, whatever time it takes. It is a person dependent thing. And if in case somebody for some reason that particular person, let's say you have given access to 3 people in one team or 2 people in one team, those guys are busy with some other activity. That day they forgot, then the dashboard may reflect old data where it might say that machine is empty, it is unoccupied, somebody can go and occupy it. But that is not the reality. So what Mohan was saying, just want to add on that point. Like yesterday we had a meeting in our center where from TN Palayam they were showing how many systems are currently occupied in there, what is the status. So what Mohan was saying is it is automated. So somebody logins into a system, automatically the tool should update the dashboard saying this system is already occupied. If somebody has not occupied, then the dashboard should automatically tell you the system is not occupied. Then that people dependency will be removed from this completely. Because moment you make it people dependent, you have to supervise this every day. It becomes a switch. Sachi is responsible to ensure that, okay, in Zomato have you updated, HL have you updated. It becomes a monotonous work for you to ensure every day, day in, day out, even on Sundays. Let's say Sunday, your people might work. But Sunday, who's going to do it? So my only concern was that this is, there is somebody who has to be responsible to update it. And if that particular thing can be automated where the machine itself, moment someone logs in, if it gets translated in the dashboard, then this is fantastic because then, as you said, everybody in the particular, everybody, Kolu, Vilupuram, whoever is using it, just open it and we can see, okay, 10 systems are occupied in Zomato, 5 systems are still not occupied, then we can plan accordingly. But my only thing was that if we can automate that part, that will be great. Because in AIOps, they have already automated that. That's what they were showing. Maybe you can have a separate meeting with the AIOps team from TN Palayam. Sure. If you guys sit together, then I think you will find the solution. But apart from that, I think this very good for example, for Kolu Center, we have so many systems. There's another building, new building, now old building. For centers which are big with almost 350 to 400 systems, we can sit and, I can just sit in one place and see how many systems are free in HL, how many free in Uber. So that will be very easy. So in terms of what is the output of this particular thing is great. So this one automation, if we can do, fantastic.
Sure. I'll coordinate with them. We'll try to integrate and see how the final output goes.
Any one of the listeners have any questions for them? So I think then that's it. So the next team is actually ByteBrains. I think they're not here. Srinidhi, ByteBrains are not here, right?
No, Gagnashri. I tried to reach them, but yeah, they're not able to pick the call.
Okay. So do you want to play at least a demo of their video or something, or can we close it?
If I need to present, I will just share this.
Maybe we'll check with the jury on that. So jury members, so this team, they are in night shift it seems, and they're not picked up the call.
We can have it later because we can't expect them to join now because they work in night.
Okay.
Evening we can have it for it's only 30 minutes time.
Correct, yes.
We can join, let them show the demo.
Okay,
because
sure.
just looking at the demo, we'll not know exactly what they have done, right?
What they have done, yeah. Okay.
It will be great if we can.
Okay, sure. So others, okay. So Srinidhi, when will they become? Maybe we'll reschedule this call. I'll connect with you later. Yeah.
Okay, you can connect with me. I will check with them and update you.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So then so I think that's it for this session then. So we have this next session at 3:30. Srinidhi, I think you guys are one more team, right? Can you check if they will be there?
Yeah, she's also from night team actually, Gagnashri. So for both of them, I tried to reach them.
Okay, got it. Okay, sure, yeah, sure. We'll figure it out later. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Thank you, team. Yeah, thank you.